on, guys? Welcome back to the video. Today I have Victor with me.
Yo, what's up? Phil's over here making fun of us for vlogging.
Oh, Phil.
Hey, man, no camera.
What you doing, brother?
Not today, man. It's the weekend.
Hey, what is this? This isn't the THROTL ice cream?
Oh, don't tell them.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm here for the free stuff.
Free stuff?
Hey, little spinning thing.
Oh, the wheel.
I never done one. I want to do it.
You never spun a wheel? So we're here at Magnaflow X Throttle's open house at the Magnaflow corporate facility. There's a bunch of different people here. We have the THROTL ice cream truck set up with some of our cars, as well as SOS, HRE, Optima batteries, among a few others. Me and Victor are taking it upon ourselves to walk the parking lot right now, see what's going on. What's one car that you would like to see here that you haven't seen yet?
I don't know. I've seen a lot of different cars here. I'm having a hard time coming up with something that I haven't seen.
Gas or ass, nobody rides for free. I respect it. Sheesh, look, you see that?
Phoenix's car?
Phoenix?
Phoenix.
Is that thing still in our parking lot?
No, I think you have to get it out of there.
Look at it, hey, look at this sign. Look, looking for shitbox friends. Vic, is this enough meat or not enough meat?
A lot of meat.
There is definitely some meat. Did you see Patrick Starr over here? What else we got going on? Supercharged Benz. This Phil? Is this Phil's car hiding back here? This is Phil's car. Hey, what is it? I see a throttle. He's monster trucking over here. Phil, you going off-roading later, buddy?
Yeah, that's how I knew it was his car.
Look at this. He's got those TEs on there, though. Don't worry, Phil. I won't show them the back TE.
Look at this. I have one of these. It doesn't look like that.
Why not? What's stopping you?
Some pussy. Look at this guy. He's going hard.
Does he pass the? Do they pass the fitment check?
Yeah, dude.
Little Skyline action. You want to go back in time?
Yeah, right.
This might be the second time I've ever seen one of these in person.
Yeah, you don't see these too often.
Could you imagine just driving down the freeway and you just see this roll up next to you, next thing you know it's going $120? Did these come in a manual?
I have no idea, dude. I don't know anything about these cars except they're extremely heavy.
Bro, they got the hoverboard. You've seen Back to the Future, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, I'm just making sure.
A lot of Mustangs.
You like Mustangs? Didn't we give away a Mustang?
We did. It was fun driving it. Like, I drove it. It was fun. I see why people like them, but it's not for me. It's not a car that I would buy for myself. Especially not like a modern one. Maybe a vintage one.
Did the lip survive on the Mustang?
No.
There you go.
Carbon hood.
I need to get you one of those.
I was trying to get one. I was trying to get the throttle spec.
He's on some.
Got canceled.
Would that be a flat plane, Gilbert? Do you
Is that
think?
LS?
I don't know.
2J? Sheesh. You know, I used to have a bug eye.
That design's been around.
I know, you told me.
I did have a bug eye. This kind of makes me want to buy another one if we're being blunt.
Hey! I don't like the bug eyes, but
I've always been a fan of the peanut.
I had a BRZ once too.
Yeah, what's the model?
This is what I need right here, though.
not to the GTR level? No.
What do we have here, Victor?
Another R32. Is that R32? 33.
That looks like the 33 wing. It is a 33. This is clean too. This is A90. Can't say I'm a huge fan of ESR wheels, but would you own an R35?
Yeah. If I had the money, I would.
Fair. I like them. They're sweet.
Evans was really fast. It's probably one of the fastest cars I've been in. Probably the only thing faster than Evans R35 is our Viper.
If you guys are not up to date with that, I will link the latest video from THROTL down below in the description. It might even pop up a little clip here. That Viper's insane. Vic got to drive that Viper. I did not.
Yeah, and I got to ride it in it last night after the swap. Oh my god, dude, that's scary. It's dangerous.
Hellcat swap. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments down below. Dude, it is a lot of Mustangs here. I guess that kind of makes sense though. Magnaflow is kind of privy to more of like muscle,
American muscle trucks.
Yeah, that's kind of their niche. So this is a cool car, this A90. This was actually at Tuner Evo when I went. They had it as a booth car.
Yeah, this yellow one, I've seen this one around a few times.
This is pretty insane. That wheel fitment's pretty nuts too. Dude, look at these canards. You're gonna catch flight. Dude, over 50.
This one on the back fender, this is my favorite one.
I've actually never seen that before. That's pretty sick. I like how they color match, like the end plates on the wing too.
The old American like muscle classic cars.
Yeah.
So I've never seen it actually like drive.
Anytime I see these, I just think of Fast and the Furious.
Yeah, I don't know anything about these, but just the look of them.
What do you say? I think American muscle.
American muscle.
American muscle.
Mickey was saying how he wants some tint like this for his wagon.
That's gangster.
It's pretty sweet. You think TEs and Works are like the favorite here?
I mean, they're just a favorite.
It's a wheel you can't go wrong with.
Yeah.
Did you notice that I have one TE in the back hatch of my Supra?
No, I didn't notice that.
Is that baller or is that?
That's kind of whack. I mean, you got to do what you got to do, I guess.
So the backstory on that is I actually bought a set of TEs from Phil from his Subaru, and upon delivering those to my household, he decided to scratch one of those right after I bought them. So I ended up with one wheel that's scratched that I can't exactly put on my car. So we got to get it refinished. He finally brought it to work at the shop, and then I just stuck it in the back of the Supra because I drove the Supra that day and just forgot it was back there and never took it off.
I like the color of this E30. Oh, and he's got the bumper tuck. This is what everyone says I should do to my E30, which I don't disagree, but...
So this, would you say this is like a Nardo gray, or it almost kind of has like a blue to it?
Yeah, I call it Nardo gray.
He's got that sweet dash cover too. Are these like common to get cracked dash, like older?
Yeah, mine
like,
was really cracked. I can say
that. Wait, what'd you say?
I didn't say anything. Oh, they got the rotisserie.
Rotisserie action. We are currently inside Magnaflow's headquarters, home office. What would you consider this? Just home office?
Yeah, home office and facility, because in the back, this is where they produce all the exhaust.
Ah, so this is where we're bringing our cars to the back when they're mocking them up, and we need a shop like this. We need a rotisserie for sure. How much do you think Mickey and the guys would enjoy having a rotisserie when they're getting underneath the down and gritty at the bottom of these cars?
Oh, I think they would. I think they would enjoy it.
I'm sure the guys that come in and do our ice blasting and stuff on these would probably appreciate that as well. Dude, how do you feel about these open layout offices? With this like, I like this like little lobby upstairs to the conference rooms. This is sick.
THROTL 3.0?
THROTL 3.0. They have basically a whole memorial wall over here. I guess of all their accomplishments over the years and stuff, this is pretty cool. This would be something sick to have set up at the THROTL shop at some point. You gotta grab you a sticky. Just a little stick. On spot interview.
They're not hiring video editors, so
no.
I guess I'm stuck at THROTL.
Stuck at THROTL. He likes it here.
I do.
Magnaflow wouldn't let him damage their lips. This is a spaceship. Look at this.
Exhaust cannon, dude.
You got that VIP card?
Oh yeah.
Magnaflow VIP, baby.
I guess we're VIP.
We're VIP. Get these, we're gonna go get these VIP burritos. Does that mean our burritos are like stuffed more than everyone else's?
I think ours is just free.
Oh.
This guy takes off.
Well, it's not a Mustang, so we don't have to worry about a crash.
Oh shit, that sounds like it hurts. Yeah.
Who's driving that? Victor?
That's at least $100. Vic, how's the burrito? Good? Sorry, you can't be wearing Bravo here. If you're not rocking what is it called? What's your Instagram again?
Yeah, if you're not wearing a FKNT.
Yeah, if you're not wearing FKNT and merch, yeah.
What's up, buddy?
He works for Legends Media.
You want to start that?
We got some randoms sitting in the back of the truck. We don't know.
What are you talking about?
Hey, you guys can't be here, man.
It's okay, we're allowed. Yeah,
no, you're not allowed. Sorry.
We got permission.
You guys gotta go.
We get special privileges.
Goddamn weird people.
Is that a Legends? No, it's not a Legends shirt. He's good.
I don't even know what the hell that is. What is that shirt?
It's the 5D. 5'3" Supply, Evan Shanks.
What is that?
Under Armour. Not sponsored by them.
Richter.
I can tell you
adventure?
Won't get that again, I can tell you that.
Yeah, that was a one. That was a one limited edition.
That's 101 right there, both of you guys.
Limited edition.
Sometime nobody.
Did you really sign it, Rick? Yeah, we love you.
The first one I signed was Destroyer.
What's your best seller? The Throttle ice cream truck.
I don't know. You don't work for Throttle. You don't have a Throttle t-shirt.
Oh, whoa, whoa. See, what had happened was,
What had happened was you were lazy.
he's not wrong.
Dude, what are you talking about? They're lopsided.
Dude, these are the straightest eyes. Dude, they're usually like.
Stigmatism.
That's how SpongeBob eats ice. That's how SpongeBob eats ice cream.
Whoa. You got a SpongeBob pop?
I did.
You ate the eyeball first or what?
Ate the eyeball first. The first time I ever got one where both eyeballs are actually looking like eyeballs.
Damn, that's 2 in a row. That's 2 in a row.
Too. They're usually all crooked and offset. Always. One's like down there by the tooth.
Chotch Patrol just rolled up. How many people do you think they're gonna pop?
Notice those 2 guys who just left though, they didn't make a fucking sound.
Hey, Quinn Throttle, you sell you autograph my titty?
I'll autograph your forehead and your baby.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So we finished up at the Magnaflow throttle meet. I am now being drugged out of the house to go get pet gifts because I did not announce this in a video. But we did end up getting a puppy. His name is Remy. He's an Australian Shepherd. I will post a picture here somewhere. He is the newest addition to our family, in addition to our cat Hazel, whose birthday is tomorrow, who we now have to go get gifts for. And by nature, I can't go to the pet store and not get puppy toys. I see Victor. Hey, brother. She's kind of a big deal.
Stop it.
Crunchy catnip pickle. Yes, sir.
Either one, I think. Okay.
What happens
Email, printed, no receipt. Printed, please.
every time she makes me go to the pet store? So I did not record a outro, but I figured I would end it with our little puppy. But he's hanging out, and he's patiently waiting on us, and he wanted to close out the video with you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna catch you guys in the next one.